Micfil. It's time to go green. In machines and applications in areas in which frictional wear is an undesirable occurrence, is the absolute minimum wear coefficient desirable. The Reichert friction test is an apparatus to gauge and monitor the load-bearing capacity of liquid lubricants. Abrasion affects your bearings and more over time. With this test we are forcing abrasion in a short period of time. A static steel cylinder roll, an SKF cylinder roll pictured here, is pressed onto a rotating bearing ring through a double lever system. The bearing ring is rotating with its bottom third through the liquid lubricant to be proofed. The bearing ring is allowed to run for approximately 100 meters with an abrasive speed of 1.65 meter per second and a load of 300 newtons. The emerging elliptical worn surface is smaller or larger depending on how long it takes for the corresponding oil to build a load-bearing lubricating film, using the measurement of the worn surface area in square millimeters. The load-bearing capabilities of the lubricating oil can be defined in newtons per square millimeters. In this film we will compare how long a well-known fresh oil to an engine oil which has been filtered with a Micfil filter needs to build a load-bearing film and the enormous difference in the resulting abrasive wear. In this first test you see fresh oil straight from the shelf. An unfiltered oil loses its lubrication ability through chemical changes and contamination over time. Here it takes approximately 9.3 seconds to build a load-bearing film. After the bearing ring has been thoroughly cleaned with degreaser, you see the second test using the oil which has been filtered with our Micfil filters. The engine oil filtered through our systems and has been run for 4,000 hours improves in quality the longer you use it.
Try and keep your arm down.
Here it only takes 1.93 seconds until a load-bearing film has been formed. Furthermore, the abrasive damage is 2/3 less than that using the fresh oil. These qualities continue to improve the longer this oil is filtered through Micfil filters and used. So, don't just throw away your good and valuable engine oil. You paid for it. Micfil. It's time to go green.